Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In this video I'm gonna show you a easy 5-minute smoky eye using all Maven Beauty products for my eyes. So hopefully by the end of this video you can achieve this eye look on your own eyes as well. Now the first palette I'm going in with is this one by Maven Beauty. It's called the Basic Beat Bold Blend Palette. And I'm gonna start with this super dark kind of like purple color, and I'm gonna start blending this straight in my crease. The purpose of today's video is to make it as easy as possible to achieve for you guys. So I wanted to use as minimal products as possible, but still kind of like achieve that glamorous effect with not too much effort. So I'm just gonna blend this in my crease, and I'm just taking it slowly. First, I didn't apply too much product. I'm just applying a little bit, and then with whatever is left on my brush, I'm just sweeping my brush back and forth. You don't really have to focus if it looks a little bit messy, because this is gonna be the base for the shades which we're gonna kind of like apply on top of the eyelid. So I'm much more focused like on the area in my crease area, but not so much like the area right underneath it. So you can see my eyelid has just my own natural skin color, and then you can see a little bit of eyeshadow like right underneath my crease, which might look a little bit messy, but don't worry, because I'm gonna cover that up with a sparkly liquid eyeshadow, so at the end it doesn't really matter. So don't let that distract you, just focus that if your crease looks great, that's all that matters. So now that my crease is done, I'm gonna use that same color and now start blending this right underneath the lower lash line, just sweeping my brush back and forth. You just want to make sure that the eyeshadow is there, and you know, this eyeshadow is for beginners, so also don't be too hard on yourself if you feel like it doesn't really look good, because especially if you're new to makeup, like, it just takes practice. Like, the more times you do it, the better you're gonna become. So don't be too hard on yourself. When you're doing your makeup, you're watching it like from really up close, and most of the time people will not look at you as close as you do. We are like our worst critics, because we always watch at ourselves with like the most critical eyes, if you know what I mean. It's kind of hard for me to explain in English, but hopefully you know what I mean. We are always so hard on ourselves, but you don't have to. You're doing great. I hope you guys are gonna try this eye look. I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful on you. So now that I'm done with applying that shade, I went in with this Maven Beauty Asteroid Tears in the color UFO. A really beautiful kind of like silvery, glittery liquid eyeshadow. It also kind of has a greenish vibe to it, but it's just really pretty. It has kind of, just depends in what lighting you're watching your eyelid, but it has all these tiny different colors. So I'm just going to use the applicator of the product itself and apply this all over my eyelid, taking it up like right underneath the crease area. And you can apply like 2 layers if you want it to be a little bit more covered, but this is how it's looking so far. So it's not really looking perfect, but that's the purpose of today's video. It doesn't have to be perfect. You don't have to use like a lot of products. You don't have to use too much time to achieve this. You just want to create an easy but effective eye look, if that makes sense. So I used a black pencil in the waterline, then I quickly curled my lashes and I went in with some mascara. Now I do think this eye look looks best with some fake lashes. You still want to have the focus like on the glittery part on the eyelid, but the lashes are just gonna complete this whole makeup look. So I'm gonna go in with these Maven Beauty lashes and I'm gonna apply them. Oh, it's the 100% vegan cruelty free lashes in the number 08. And I always apply the lash band like straight in the middle of the eyelid, right against my own natural lashes. So kind of in the place where I would normally apply my eyeliner, like right above my lashes. And then I stick both sides against my eyelid, making sure it sticks together. I always wait a few minutes before the eyelash glue dries, and then I apply it so it's a little bit sticky and it just works really well. And then here you have the finished result on this easy, achievable, glam, smoky eye look with lots of sparkle. I will link all the products I used for Maven Beauty down in the description bar, so if you want to purchase any of their products, All the details are linked down below together with a link where you can purchase the products. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel. Let me know if you're gonna try it out, and if you did, let me know how it went. I'm sure it's gonna look beautiful on you. And yeah, thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!